Hi, my name is Laia Pons. I'm the executive chef here at Kata, and I'm from Barcelona. Here in Kata, we offer Mediterranean food, very fresh, with a lot of seafood in very relaxed space, very bright, and live ambience. That 60% of our menu is seafood because we're next to the ocean, so we cook a lot of seafood and seasonal products. Like here, the season it's like almost same season. We try to do a lot of fresh food, not very heavy. So a lot of limes and lemons and orange, some refreshing taste. Hospitality is very interesting, fun, and keep you busy all the time. So every day is a new achievement because many things happen every day. So new guests, new requests. I will define Kata as fresh, very bright, and different. Well, for me, it's the first time participating in the pop-up. So I like to experience new things, and because it's a charity, I'm more than happy to join and participate.